How to change A's on Twitter. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pippin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your A's on Twitter. Well, basically the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up the Twitter or the X application. Once you open up, you want to make sure you're logged into your account, that you want to change your A's on. Now basically changing your A's means changing your birth date, right? Now how you can do so on Twitter, you want to tap on the profile option or profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of the screen. Once you tap on it, you want to tap on the profile option there at the left hand side. Once you tap on it here, you'll get the option that says edit profile, as you can see here on the screen. Simply tap on edit profile option, and if you scroll down, you'll see the option that says date of birth. Simply tap on date of birth, and here you can see you'll be able to customize your date of birth. You can tap on it and you can tap on edit, and once you tap on edit, you can move your date of birth, and once you do so, you want to tap on continue option at the top right corner of the screen, and you want to save it. I won't be saving it, I won't be changing it, but you can do so this way. So this way you can change your A's or your birth date on Twitter. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.